Hey guys, my name is Sam Bahnam, and today I will show you how to make a potato omelet. Now, you're probably gonna think it's just another potato omelet. What's so special about it? No, not the way I make it. Especially, I will be using a secret spice that I kinda created myself. I blended a few other spices together, and it's gonna be delicious. Of course. And we have organic eggs, not the cheap ones. Potato, garlic, and Himalayan pink salt, crushed red pepper, black pepper, and of course my secret spice. Peel the potato, then chop it up into small pieces. Trust me, when you chop it up into small pieces, it will absorb the spices and it'll taste better. Yeah, it'll just taste better when it's cut into small pieces. Add the spices, a few pinches of the secret spice, and mix it. Mix it. Oh yeah, baby, look at those little small bricks of gold. And then we crack open 3 eggs. I remove the yolk from one of them. So we have about 2.5. Gotta watch the cholesterol. And then, mix it. Mix it real good. We have 4 cloves of garlic. Cut them. I put them in my stone grinder and then grind it. Damn, look at my gains, man. Then add the garlic to the egg. And then mix it real good. Olive oil in a pan. Put those little bricks of gold in a pan. Oh yeah. Look at that. I usually let it sit like, 5-7 minutes until it turns brown, and then add the eggs. Let it sit another 5 minutes, and then flip it over. Well, I know I said an omelet. It's not much of an omelet anymore. More like a scramble. But hey, it looks good. It tastes good.